Meaning of high school.
High school.
High school.
High school.
High school. High school refers to a secondary education institution that provides education for students typically between the ages of 14 and 18. The curriculum is designed to offer a broad range of subjects, including mathematics, science, social studies, literature, and art. Often, students can choose elective courses to explore their personal interests and career goals. High school provides students with an opportunity to explore various subjects in greater depth, develop critical thinking skills, and prepare for higher education or the workforce. Graduating from high school is typically a requirement for pursuing further education or finding employment in many fields.